Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to refer a friend to Go2Bank and earn yourself a nice $50 bonus. So you can literally do this entire process online and it's really straightforward too. So simply open your browser and head over to the Go2Bank website. And once you're there, you then have to log into your Go2Bank account using your credentials. So after logging in, you then have to navigate to the Refer a Friend section, and you can usually find this option in your account dashboard. So in the Refer a Friend section, you then have to find your unique referral link. So simply copy this link and share it with your friends via text, email, or social media. So your friend needs to open a new Go2Bank account using your referral link. So keep in mind, they shouldn't have a previously opened account with Go2Bank. This has to be their new one. So for both you and your friend to earn that $50 reward, your friend must receive a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more into their new Go2Bank account within 45 days of account opening. The direct deposit must come from their employer, payroll provider, government benefits, or unemployment benefits payer via SCH transfer. So once your friend completes the steps, both you and your friend will receive $50 each. The reward will then be credited to your Go2Bank accounts within 48 hours after the qualified direct deposit has been received. And that's it. So that's literally how to do it. I really hope you found this insightful, guys. And if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.